Fam, I'm back on here just as a reminder to you guys to not just sit still. Like through my time, I've actually started a garden, you know, with my own little garden. It's something small, but it's something that will feed my family in the months to come, because it's only going to get tougher for those of them who don't know, or who's just sitting around waiting for the stores to open up, of the government or anyone to come and save them. We have to understand that right now is the time for us to act, to do what we have to do to survive. And the best way to survive through all of this is to go back into nature. So it's a lot of things that we're going to have to learn to live without, that we have been taught was the best way of living. With it, naturality, it was killing us. We have to go back into nature way of living. Growing your own food, and you know distilling your own water. What I find is that pennies that are made before the year 1982 are copper pennies. So if you're someone who can't afford to get a filter or anything, try and get you some copper penny, as many as you can, that were made before the year 1982. It should be copper, where you can sort of be creative, make your own water filters, and like I said, grow your own food. You can regrow store bought items like, the cabbage or cilantros, or any of those store bought items where they have the roots still intact. You can regrow those vegetables for yourself. So it's time for everyone to be on a self-sufficient type of mindset. Yeah, we don't have to work for these companies anymore, which is really great, but we still have to be able to provide for ourselves. So my thing I coming on here to say is to get out into nature, connect back to the Mother Earth, and do your part, because once you put in, you will get back from Mother Earth. She's always been here. She's never left. She's here to heal us through whatever problems we're going through, through whatever sickness we may fall under, due to our own pollutions and our own ignorance. So it's time to take action. Get out, grow your own food. Get out and get you some vitamin D, get you some sunlight. Connect with Mother Nature, meditate, you know, really come into yourself in the spiritual light, because we're in a spiritual war. And that's what I want to tell you guys. Peace, love, and blessings to you. Thank you for watching.